Prizm Mega. Well, you got a couple big quarterbacks on the back here. That's good. Hopefully it's big color, right? Tommy Tremble. Justin Fields break. Josh Palmer rookie. Davis Mills. Premier jersey. I know some people started buying his stuff up. Pat Tillman silver. Trey Nixon rookie. Big Ben. Felipe Franks. Aaron Donald green. Kamara green. Oh, there you go. Trey Lance. Good job, Sonya. Trey Lance. Let me get the right color here. Neon green Pulsar. Elijah Mitchell. Fireworks of Trevor Lawrence. Randy Moss. Racy McGath silver and a Zach Wilson. Man, that box had them all. Zach Wilson. Yeah. Zach Wilson. Justin, Trevor Lawrence. Trey Lance. Felipe Franks. Davis Mills and Justin Fields. I think he hit every quarterback in there. Insert or something. Thank you, Ralph. We'll try to get these out today. Appreciate it as always.